The final rhythm that I'll go over on the sinus rhythms is the tachycardia from your text. So, some nurses confuse this with atrial flutter, but I'll tell you that it is not, because it is not an exact waveform. But we're going to go through the same 8 steps of rhythm interpretation. Identify the P waves, P, Q, R, S, T, P, Q, R, S, T, P, Q, R, S, T, and all the way through. So we've identified the QRS complex as well. Measure the PR interval. This is a little tricky because as the rhythm speeds up, the waveforms become a little muddy. They're a little more difficult to find. So again, I'm measuring all of the waveforms on the strip. I hold it up here. It's 5 boxes precisely for a PR interval of 0.20. I'm going to measure the QRS here. Again, where it leaves the isoelectric line to where it comes back. You're going to measure all of the complexes. Just to save time, I'll cut a little short. And it looks like it's about 2.5 boxes, a little more than 2, less than 3. 2.5 boxes using your measurement of interval grid is 0.10. And the QT, where the QRS leaves the isoelectric line to where it comes back, and I would continue to measure all of these out, but to save time, I'm going to drop it right on the box. This is 8 small boxes, so it's the 5, 1, 2, 3 for a total of 8, using your measurement of intervals, that is 0.32. So to calculate the rate, I would go down to the bottom. You can measure it from the top point, it doesn't matter. So you want to just see if it's regular or not, and you can see it's an extremely regular rhythm. So when I calculate the number of boxes, it's 14. Using my cycle time chart, 14 blocks is a rate of 104. PQRST throughout with normal intervals at a rate of 107 means we have a sinus tachycardia.